afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. John Belkowitz from Intelligent Concrete. We're here today to do a Q&A day brought to you by the Sand Shark because it's Concrete Q&A Day. So what we are doing today is answering a question by Mr. McTeen. Thank you very much, sir. And I believe he is from Australia. So hopefully you're enjoying your soon-to-be winter. I think it's that time of year. But anyway, the question is, ding! What is your view on polyester polymer penetrating waterproofing products for concrete? Relatively old tech, but unknown down this part of the world. Thank you for the question. Awesome question. Appreciate it. So polyester polymer based water penetrating or penetrating waterproofing additives or topical additives, you know, just like all technologies, it definitely has its place in the industry, and there are some very specific uses or types of structures or slabs to use it on, and that's normally where they're used. And I won't say that it's not something that you shouldn't use. It's a good technology. It's a technology that has been around for a while, as Mr. McTeen says, and it's normally used to reduce water migration to the top surface, sometimes even used as a primer. I mean, that might be a very loose use of the word primer, but a primer before putting adhesives on for resilient flooring systems. Now, that being said, a lot of people use them for more aggressive environments. The great thing about pedestrian type traffic is that abrasive wear, especially if you're putting some type of coating or vinyl tile or laminate flooring or carpet on it, is going to be protected from abrasive wear. Even with a polyester polymer type penetrating sealer, they're only going to penetrate so far into the concrete. Now, if the concrete's already broken up a lot, they'll penetrate further. But a concrete slab that's normally had a steel trowel finish, if it's not or if the surface isn't profiled using either chemical or mechanical abrasive techniques, then it's not going to really migrate into the surface, and it really will be subsurface at best. That being said, there are other technologies that can get you a further penetrating type seal or heel or seal or heel effect that would last longer to these types of surface treatments. And the problem with surface treatment is at a certain point you have to come back and either rip it, strip it, and place a new coating, or at the very least put a new coating on there. And if you are in certain environments or natural environments, these technologies, you normally can't use them because of EHS restrictions, environmental health and safety. So, hey, not a bad technology. It's a good technology when it serves a very specific purpose. But, you know, as I always say, there are other technologies out there that could either do a similar job, maybe not in a similar manner, or even better. Now, more than likely it will cost more, but if it's a more environmentally friendly, if it's easier to use, if it's stronger and lasts longer, it might be a better approach if you need that. If you don't, then stick with what you got. And convincing, I guess, the last piece of it, but unknown down in this part of the world. Again, I think Mr. McTeen is in Australia, and there are a lot of technologies that haven't gotten to all parts of the world yet, and it's all part about consensus-based education. With this type of surface treatment, there has been a lot of research, and not only lab, but it's also field research over the years to prove the efficacy of this product and show the shortfalls of it in many different environments. So it's either educating the industry or, you know, good concrete practices dictate that we try the technology out on a small section of the concrete that we will be using in the environment that we will be using to see if it has a positive impact on our concrete or if it sets it back a little bit, and then of course we shouldn't be using it. So hopefully answer your question, sir. Let us know if you have any other questions, concrete concerns. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this month only, we're running this, what is it? Is it a contest? Like and share, and then you'll be entered into a drawing to win a piece of glow-in-the-dark concrete. So thanks again for joining us. Go concrete! Beat asphalt!